Hi, I'm Pastor Scott Harper.
And I'm Pastor Donna Wright, and I'm so excited because it's City of Refuge time.
Yes, it is.
I'm so excited about this. Now, City of Refuge is actually a full For My Life program. But the thing about it is that it's at a seriously reduced cost.
Oh, it is only a $49 administration fee.
That's it.
Compared to a normal tuition of $500.
Yeah, about $500.
Yeah.
So anyway, what is a For My Life? Because some people may not know.
Well, For My Life is our week-long retreat. We help people understand what the Bible says about what's going on in their life, help them understand some of the things that we've all struggled with from being kids and growing up, whether it's rejection or accusation or even heartbreak and what that looks like. And it's just that week that we've set aside that we do one every single month. But City of Refuge is a little special. We've been doing it since 2008. This is our 13th year of having a City of Refuge. I remember the first year. I remember we had
Lots of people.
We had over 300 people that one year, and we scrambled because we really didn't expect that many people to show up and want to come. Now we've just kind of broken into 2 different weeks. We've got the week of, I have to look at my notes because it's a date, November 29th through December 3rd. And we have December 13th through the 17th. And like every year, those classes in those City of Refuge get filled up really quickly.
They do.
And so I'll go ahead and tag this really quick. Register quickly. Go to beandhelp.com/events and register for City of Refuge because seating gets tight and we fill up really quickly. And so, but I mean, you and Pastor Henry kind of had the vision and heart for City of Refuge.
Yeah, we did, because the thing is not everybody has the funds to be able to come for the cost. It's $4.99, and so we wanted to make it open to everybody. And the $49 is truly just an administrative cost. That's all it really is. But we wanted to give everyone an opportunity to come. Now, when you were talking about the For My Life program, if you've never heard of it before, it actually is really getting down into the spiritual roots of possible diseases. And it may not even be that. It could be just stinking thinking. That's what Henry's always got, stinking thinking, or relationship issues, or anything. But it's a week where you set apart for yourself to be free. And we go through biblical principles with you, and we actually have ministry at the same time. It's not just teaching, it's ministry as well. And a lot of people have gained such freedom. I mean, it's thousands upon thousands now that get free.
Yeah.
So we hope you can come. It'd be a great time. So like he said, register quickly.
The seating does get full quickly. I remember Pastor used to call this week a gift.
Yeah.
Not that it's free, because there's still the administration cost of $49 to kind of help make sure everything keeps rolling through, but he used to consider it a gift to be able to do this week or these 2 weeks for City of Refuge. And I still feel like that's how it is, and
so
the heart behind it.
How do they register?
beandhelp.com, go to our events page, click on the City of Refuge the week that you want to go to, and get the registration soon, and then you'll get your confirmation, and then you can work on accommodations and all that kind of stuff. Oh yes, click the link right here to also register that way as well. So
right, so we hope to see you.
Hope to see you soon.